Are you struggling to maintain a healthy weight? If yes, you are not alone. Weight management is a journey that requires commitment and patience. It's a common struggle, but guess what? It's not an impossible one. The key to success lies in understanding the importance of a balanced lifestyle, in acknowledging your body's needs, and in meeting them effectively. You're about to embark on a journey of discovery, one that promises a healthier, happier you. In the next few minutes, we will explore 10 tips to help you navigate through this journey. Tip 1. Prioritize a balanced diet. The secret to maintaining a healthy weight lies not just in how much you eat, but what you eat. A diet packed with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains is your ticket to good health. These nutrient-dense foods not only keep you satiated for longer periods, but also provide the energy your body needs to function optimally. Furthermore, they play a pivotal role in weight management by keeping your metabolism in check. Remember, a balanced diet is a cornerstone of weight management. Moving on to tip 2, incorporate regular exercise. Exercise, an essential cornerstone of weight management, aids in burning calories and building lean muscle mass. From invigorating cardio workouts like running or biking to strength training routines, there's a fit for everyone. Remember, it's not about pushing to the extreme, but finding consistency in a routine that suits you. Whether it's a brisk morning walk or an intense gym session, the key is regularity. Exercise not only helps in weight management, but also improves overall health. Tip 3. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. It's not just about feeling refreshed. Sleep plays a vital role in weight management. When we skimp on sleep, our bodies crave quick energy fixes, often leading us to unhealthy eating habits. Lack of sleep can disrupt our hormones, increasing hunger and decreasing feelings of fullness. Remember, your body needs sleep just as much as it needs food and exercise. Adequate sleep is essential for your body to function properly and manage weight. Tip 4. Stay hydrated. Ever feel peckish when you've just eaten? That's often your body mistaking thirst for hunger. Regular hydration keeps this miscommunication in check. Water is a natural appetite suppressant. It aids digestion and helps your body metabolize fat. Every organ, cell, and tissue in your body needs water to function properly. So remember to drink a good amount of water throughout the day. Keeping yourself hydrated is an easy and effective way to help manage your weight. Tip 5. Practice mindful eating. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat. Picture this: you're savoring each bite, staying present in the moment. Mindful eating is a powerful tool that can prevent overeating. It encourages you to slow down, pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues, and truly appreciate the food before you. Remember, it's not a race. Take your time, enjoy your food. Mindful eating helps you enjoy your meals and maintain a healthy weight. Tip 6. Don't skip your regular checkups. They're not just for when you're feeling under the weather. Regular health evaluations are crucial in maintaining a healthy weight. They can help identify potential health issues, even before symptoms arise. Imagine catching a problem early and adjusting your diet or exercise routine accordingly. It's like having a roadmap for your health journey. So make those appointments and keep them. Regular checkups can help you stay on track and manage your weight effectively. Tip 7. Avoid processed foods as much as possible. Processed foods often hide harmful ingredients like trans fats, high fructose corn syrup, and a mountain of sodium. These can lead to weight gain, heart disease, and other health issues. Instead, embrace the wholesome goodness of fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. They provide nutrients your body needs without the extra calories and additives. Remember, your body is a temple. Treat it well. Choosing fresh over processed can make a huge difference in your weight management journey. Tip 8. Practice portion control. It's not just about what you eat, but how much. Portion control plays a pivotal role in managing your weight. It's easy to overindulge when faced with large servings. By keeping portions in check, you prevent overeating without feeling deprived. This isn't about starvation, it's about moderation. A balanced diet doesn't mean an overflowing plate. So next time you're about to dig in, remember, size does matter when it comes to portions. Portion control is a simple yet effective strategy for maintaining a healthy weight. Tip 9. Be consistent. Consistency is the cornerstone of effective weight management. It's not about drastic changes, but rather about making small, sustainable adjustments to your lifestyle. Whether it's in your diet, your exercise routine, or other habits, Consistency ensures that these changes become a part of your daily life. It's like a marathon, not a sprint. The magic happens when you stay the course, day in, day out. Remember, consistency is key in the journey of weight management. Last but not least, tip 10, maintain a positive mindset. Consider this. Your thoughts are like a steering wheel, guiding your weight management journey. A positive mindset can turn setbacks into stepping stones, helping you maintain resilience and determination. Weight loss is not a straight path, but a winding road filled with ups and downs. Remember, each setback is a setup for a comeback. So stay positive, embrace the journey, and never let a stumble be the end of your journey. A positive mindset can make your weight management journey smoother and more enjoyable. So there you have it, 10 tips to help you maintain a healthy weight. From a balanced diet and regular exercise to adequate sleep and proper hydration, mindful eating, regular checkups, avoiding processed foods, and portion control. And let's not forget the power of consistency and maintaining a positive mindset. These are not just tips, but stepping stones towards a healthier you. Remember, maintaining a healthy weight is a journey, not a destination. You've got this.